Hey, BIM 1 students, this is Mr. Colbert. We're going to be working with Lesson 5.9 in Microsoft Word. I've done the typing for this exercise. We'll go back and do a couple of changes. The first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we're using the default font and size for Word, and that's going to be Calibri 11 point. The next command asks us to change the line spacing to single with no additional spacing before or after paragraphs. Remember, the easiest way to do this is to go to the Home tab, the Styles group, and select the second style, which is the no spacing styles, which is what I typed this in. Okay, so the thing we're going to do now is we're going to do save, and we are going to save this as vacation. I'm using a laptop, so I'm going to save to the laptop. If you're using a flash drive or a network drive, you'll need to use whatever you need to use. So go to Documents, and I'm going to change the file name to Vacation. All right. So as you know, I like to work with these paragraph signs turned on so that we can see exactly what we've typed. A lot of the formatting commands, line spacing, indentions, things like that are stored in those paragraph signs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lists with a blank line in between each list. So we are on direction number 5. They ask us to type our name, and then 5, 9, taking a vacation, and we hit enter, and we get a blank line. All right, so we are going to center align the title of the first list, top 5 beaches. So center align, and they want us to change that to Arial 16 point bold. So we're going to select the entire line by coming out to the left margin and clicking. Change that to Arial 16 point bold. The next list is top 5 cities. They want us to center align that as well. We're going to use the Comic Sans font. Go to 18 point and bold. The third list, center align. We're going to change that to Georgia. 15 point bold. And the last one is top 5 ski resorts. Let's see. Top 5 ski resorts. They want us to choose Verdana. 3 point bold. Also centered. So we have Arial, Comic Sans, Georgia, and Verdana. All right, so we're going to select the list portion for top 5 beaches. So that's going to be these 5 beaches. And we are going to format that with a standard bullet. So we'll go to the home ribbon, paragraph group, bullets. Okay. Top 5 cities. Is going to be a bulleted list, but we're going to change the bullet so that it's an open box. So what we'll do is we'll go to, we'll highlight the list, go to the home ribbon, paragraph group, and then we'll click on the drop down arrow by the bullets icon. And let's see. I do not see an open box on this. So what we'll do is define a new bullet. We're going to choose a symbol. We're going to change this to Webdings, and let's see if we can find an open box. It shouldn't be too hard. So scrolled up, there's an open box right there. And you can see that that's an open box bullet now. Okay, the top 5 places to vacation is going to be a traditional numbered list. So highlight the list, home, paragraph, numbering. And the top 5 ski resorts is also going to be a numbered list, but instead of using numbers, we're going to use capital letters. So we'll go to home, paragraph, we'll drop that down, and then capital letters is right there. So you'll want to proofread this. If you want to see what this will look like without the paragraph signs, you can turn them off like so. You'll hit save and close Word before you submit this file in Google Classroom. That's it. Let me know if you have questions.